रुको हाँ Faith is really important for us, and it is said in Quran that we should be helping orphans and helping needy and poor people. The girl I looked after said that I have only got Allah with me now, no family, no friends, and I told her that no matter where you are, but Allah is watching you and He's with you. She comes in a different country, different culture, language is a barrier, but if I understand their faith and I provide them what they ask for, Holy Quran and praying Maeths, help them with everything so they don't have to ask or explain to me. We believe in one God, Allah, so that's what keeps us all together. First time in her life, she felt that her voice is being heard. At last, when she left my home, she left happy. They look for the support here. If we could provide those support, that is something I feel that I have achieved in my life. Very good support was provided by Gwinnett Council. My social worker was very, very supportive. Go for the trainings which are provided. So researching about their faith, about their lifestyle would help us to adapt our home according to their needs. I feel very satisfied that I could help someone, even for a short period of time, but I could help.